He's never doing this again.
You want more money?
Bro actually got scared.
Let me just borrow like $100. Thank you.
Borrow $100?
Yeah. Alright, let me get like another 100. Sir.
Bro got serious real quick. He laughed it way too hard.
Oh man, good.
Bro ready to fight now.
Two mocktails for £10,300.
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Excuse me.
Aman, come
What's
here.
going?
Bro, I've seen you before, man. Hurry up and play.
Bro lost his patience quickly.
Okay.
She got fully traumatized.
Thank you. I just need some money. Get some money.
She asked for money back.
And then now you said like give me back 100. What's that mean? That mean you took my money.
No, I didn't take your money.